In this quick video, I'll show you how to reassign keyboard keys on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel. Also like this video. So to remap keyboard keys on Windows 11, we just need to go to the Microsoft Store and then just download an application called powertoys. You can simply install it in your PC. Once you install this application successfully, then just simply open it in your PC. Once you open this application, then go to the section called keyboard manager. You can simply click here, then click on remap a key, and now we can simply remap key of our choice. I can simply add key remapping, and now we need to select the key which we want to remap. I will simply select escape here, and then you can see I have successfully selected escape key, and then I can simply click on OK. After that, we need to select the key which we want to remap with. I will simply select here P, then I can simply click on OK, and now you can see my P button will be replaced by escape button. Now I can simply click on OK, and then this pop-up will come up, and now we need to click on continue anyway, just like so. And now you can see my P button is now replaced with escape key. You can see it here. If I click on escape, you can see P alphabet is written on my search bar. If I want to remove this remapping, then I just need to click here, and then simply you can click on this delete icon to delete the remapping, then click on OK. Now my shortcut has been deleted. Also, you can remap a shortcut using this application. For that, just click here remap a shortcut, and then you can simply remap a shortcut on your PC. This process is very helpful. If you have any damaged key on your keyboard and you want to replace it, you can simply replace or remap any key on your keyboard by following this process. And now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I will really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.